Welcome to 1355 Reef Point Avenue here in Henderson, Nevada. I absolutely love this location as it's super close to Galleria Mall, Cornerstone Park, and it's right off of Stephanie, which have tons and tons of restaurant options, shopping, schools, you name it, it's there. So this home is almost like new, so if you're looking for a model home, here it is. And I'm gonna take you on a quick tour through it to show you everything that it has. Come on. And then when you come upstairs, you are going to have this huge open floor plan. And what did I tell you? Is this not like a model home? I mean, look at this island. It is huge, and it's got quartz counters with my favorite sparkle. Tons of cabinets and storage and stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry. I mean, like, I may even cook if I had this kitchen. I love that it opens up to the family area, so I can't wait for you to see more. With two very spacious bedrooms. A full bath and the laundry area. I love this model because it's like a split level, so when you go down the stairs, you will have a master bedroom and then a den. Up the stairs, you will find my favorite part of the house. Now you know why this is my favorite part of the home? I mean, look at this. Can you imagine being out here at night, having a nice glass of wine, sitting up here in the morning, having your coffee with these gorgeous views? I mean, you have the strip view, you have mountain views, views. I love it here. If you want a private tour of this amazing home, please contact me. All my info is right below in the description. I'm Wendy Goss, and I would love to be your real estate boss. Here we go. Information in the comments section. Well, what is not the comments?